Okay guys, welcome to the video. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to read WhatsApp messages without even opening the chat. So let's get straight right into the video.
Hi guys, welcome to the video once again. So as I said earlier, today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to read WhatsApp messages without actually opening the WhatsApp app, and I'll be showing you how to do that using the Notisave app. And to do that first, you have to download the Notisave app first. So I'll drop the link to download Notisave down in the description, and let's start. So to do that, you have to go to the Google Play Store, then you search for Notisave. Okay, cool. So this is not save, and you have to install it into your phone. Then you click on install here to download the app. Then I'll just be this. I want to make this video as short as possible, so I'm going to pause this video right here. Once the app is installed, I'll resume the video.
A few moments later.
Okay, so the Notisave app is already installed on the phone, so we just have to go ahead and launch the app. So before I continue with this video, I'm just going to be showing you some things. I'm going to be explaining some things about how the Notisave app works. So how it actually works is that it collects the messages from your notification bar. So once somebody sends you a message, a WhatsApp message, just like the notification that displays just like this Telegram notification right now, Notisave app collects it and stores it for you to read it later on the Notisave app. So you have to give the Notisave app some access. You have to give it access to your notification bar. You have to allow it some you have to give it the permission to read messages on the notification bar. So once that is done, uh the Notisave app you automatically collect WhatsApp notification and messages sent that WhatsApp messages sent to you, and to store it on their app for you to read later. So we just go ahead and open it right now. Okay, so let's just wait till it launches. Okay. So save notification, incoming notification and messages received. You have to click on next. Click your notifier clean. Select app to show on notifier. So next, you can also use this Notisave app to actually arrange apps and restrict some apps not to show on your notification bar. So you click on next, then you allow it access to notifications. Once you click on that, it actually collects yeah. So once you click on that, it takes you to the settings app where you turn on the switch to give it permission to give you the notification access. So you click on no, then you turn it on, you click on allow, then that's done. You have to back it now so we can return to the app. Allow them save to access photos, media and files on your device. Click allow so as for them to save so as for the app to save messages on your mobile phone. So so notifications from selected apps will be blocked on the status bar. Okay, so the notifications that you want to be blocked on the status bar, you have to select it right here. So once you click on next, you can actually click all apps. Then once you click on apps, it switches us all the switch. It switches it on, so no application will be able to display notification on the notification bar. So once you back that, as you can see, you have to switch it. You have to block those notifications so as for no you have to block those notifications for Notisave to collect you have to block all apps from showing notifications so that Notisave can save it on their own app. So once you do that, as you can see, these are Telegram messages. These are Telegram notification received through the notification bar, but you can actually change it to WhatsApp. So once you click on now, once you click on this place right here, so if you want it to be showing only WhatsApp messages, you have to go back to block notification, switch off all app, then you go ahead and turn on the switch for only WhatsApp. Then once you do that, go back there, you go back to your messages, and it will only show messages from WhatsApp. So as you can see, if I click on this WhatsApp business, it actually shows me messages from my WhatsApp business app, and there are a lot of messages. This is the WhatsApp status. You can also download WhatsApp statuses. So let's just go back. I think it's best to block all notifications, switch it on, and switch the all apps and block notification button. Just switch it on, then go back, and you can read messages without even opening the app. It doesn't work for only WhatsApp only. It actually works for all messaging apps. So once you go back here, it separates it from. It actually separates all. It it classes them. So these are messages, notifications that are for the WhatsApp business app, and these are messages for the for Telegram. So messages for Telegram and WhatsApp will actually show. Then okay, so you can actually password the Notisave app. So if you don't want anybody to access your Notisave app, you can actually set a password. Then you can set a password, but I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to back it. Okay, so I think that's all for now. I That's all. Actually, that's all. So if you like this video, make sure to smash the thumbs up button down below this video, and you should consider subscribing to the channel for more tech updates and smartphone hacks just like this. Catch you in the next video. Peace.